Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spend all my life holding on.
Chad, baby, welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. It is round 2, and guys, you know the markets are going to be choppy because not even Chris and me are in sync today. We got black and white rocking it out here today, so it's going to be tough.
Ooh.
But Chris, how you doing today, bro?
No, can't complain. A little bit of a chop fest this morning, but luckily got away with some decent money on gold, so can't really complain. Hoping things spice up a little bit here into the afternoon.
Hey, there we go. All right, but guys, without further ado, we're going to get the ball rolling, see what we can get ourselves into here. But before we do it, and we're going to talk a little bit about what all is happening in the markets and what is shaking things up here. But as always, before we start, Chris, will you open us up with a prayer, brother?
I will. Chad, let's pray. Father, I just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for being with us. I pray that you will give us wisdom and insight. We pray that you will be with us every step of the way. We pray that you will go with our families about the day. Please bring them all back safely home tonight, Father. And we just pray for awesome session, an impactful session, not just on the markets, but just engaging with our fellow Chad here. And we just want to thank you for each and every faithful gift that comes from your hand, Father. And we pray this and we ask this not because we deserve it, but purely because of your grace and your mercies that are new every single day. And if you believe it, you can drop an amen right now in the chat. Amen.
Amen. That's beautiful stuff over there, guys. And again, I hope you're ready for it because it is Tuesday and things are about to ramp up. So, again, I hope you guys are ready for it. Let's take it over to the fundamental chat and see what is happening on the fundamental side of stuff. And Tuesday, a little bit of a clear one, yellow. We have some orange folders and then a lot of yellow. So nothing too crazy, no PMI, none of that today. We, I think, pick up again with that tomorrow. But yeah, we've got some clear sailing. So for once, Tuesday, things aren't looking bad. We can get some clear one-way motion here, so hopefully we can get some solid trades. So let's go over to the charts and see what is happening. So DXY, now guys, again, very much neutral. I want to say I'm leaning into the bit more of the bearish side. The big thing for me is obviously, you guys remember last 2 weeks, I've been talking about this, the yearly pivot. We are right there. There's a good chance dollar is looking to do something where it can trade into the yearly, find support, and that can be the turnaround point if dollar is going to have that massive run. Otherwise, this is going to be it, and all this is going to do is accelerate the downfall again all the way back to the bottom. Because keep in mind, even when you look at structure over here, yes, we took these out over there, but this was our last major area before we're really going to see just that downwards momentum. So that's where we'll see that true shift in the dollar. So for me, yearly pivot, again, we are under the 106, so that naturally is going to be the thing holding over there. 105 400, 105 500. Yearly pivot is at 105 433. So we can always come back there. Weekly key level just underneath it with the monthly S1. Yeah, so there's a lot of reason, confluencies to see market start tapping in and doing something over here. But we're going to see what happens. As I say, I am neutral, but you can't help but start seeing a little bit more of that short-term bearish momentum. Going over to NASDAQ, what am I looking for here? Now, you guys know we were neutral the whole time, looking at that bearish momentum. Yesterday was quite interesting. We spoke about it, if that was going to be the day of just testing the weekly pivot and then having that bearish momentum. When you look at the weekly, we can see that shift. And this is just giving us that break. Obviously traded right in here now. So monthly S1 and the psychological 20,000 underneath us. We are testing the 200 on the daily. So I am going to be anticipating a little bit of pullback or rejection off of that. And then see that momentum continue. So if anything, I want to see NASDAQ probably come back because we've had Asia highs and lows tested. Maybe test previous weekly low, and if we can hold underneath that, then those sells are on for me. And as I said, 20,000 becomes that target. USD absolutely beautiful yesterday. We just couldn't get in on those trades. We got literally wicked out. But you guys remember I spoke to you about 43,000 psychological key level. We tested yesterday, and now we're holding out there again. Yesterday closing underneath this level, so another level of support broken. The fact for me we're already trading and holding underneath the weekly S1 already shows us that isn't even going to give us that retest. We can close bearish. So I am going to look for that almost continuation move to the downside, especially if we can break a previous weekly low. Then we have that psychological level to get under a previous daily low. So lots of levels to see volume coming for US30. And then that just marks out our next key level down here at 42,560 basically. And the same thing you guys always know. Weekly S1, so weekly S2, and that obviously lines us up with the monthly S1 just underneath the previous daily low. So going to see some interesting stuff happening here, but definitely more on the bearish side here with USD as well. Then on gold is a little bit of an interesting one for me, guys. So this is something we did with the Project G members, and I think if some of them were paying attention on their weekly outlook, a lot of guys could have caught this move. And this is purely, guys, so same way we talk about the EQ on most of our things on a daily time frame, that's our weekly EQ. And the thing for me is what I said to the guys, we want to see a trade where we are either going to trade into this, reject, and the fact we got that over here, you guys can see, look at that, how clean that was there. We traded into the weekly EQ, held it, rejected, came back down, held the daily pivot. That was our momentum shift. So now we always talk about this, guys. If you have this level, now you've tested, you're going to see volume drive. So very simple. When this got that final break, you would have wanted to see that little bit of move come back in there. And that's exactly what happened on the 15, trading back up. So there you can see once it got momentum, just utterly broke right back to 2,900, held there for a bit, and then the drive again from the top side. So I must say I'm going to be liking the buys a little bit more now, purely because we're back above the weekly EQ. So again, when we're trading here, you can see also now we are holding this little bit of a level here on the 4 hours. So this really becomes quite interesting for me. So I want to see what price is going to start doing there. Once we can get back above, you guys know, the daily R2, if this gives us some type of pullback, especially the idea we had all this momentum and jump here with volume, we could have some pullback, but that's not going to turn us around. Where now, once we can do something like this, if we have a little bit of a fake out, then get back above the daily R2, I'll start looking for those buys. But that is everything from me. Chris, over to you, brother.
Beautiful, beautiful, Keeks. All right, Chad, let me just see where I am. Oh, my goodness. This is... Wait, there we go. Alrighty. Chad, let's start off with DXY on the daily time frame. Let's see what is happening here. We spoke about it this morning, that previous breakout zone now starting to break lower. Things are now looking a little bit dicey here for dollar. Big thing to note, we are going for that yearly pivot. We are going for that daily 200 EMA. So that is going to be a big demand level to watch. Also the monthly S1. But currently super bearish. We cannot deny that. Big thing now for me going into the session, we did not test the previous daily low. We also didn't test Asia lows. I wouldn't be surprised if we pull back all the way here. So do not be surprised. I think we've got data come out, Keeks.
No, nothing.
Oh, nothing. Holy smokes. Okay, anyways. Otherwise, the first roadblock for the bulls is going to be right here in this zone. Actually, this entire zone here. That zone there. Whatever happens here, if we start trading above, that's going to be bullish dollar. If we start breaking back below, we are going for that major yearly level. All right. Nasdaq daily, we spoke about it this morning as well. Bearish, very simple to see. Break of structure, taking a previous daily high. But now, this is the issue. We've got a 200 daily EMA right there. We have to mark this. The 200 DEMA, all right, so still bearish, taking previous daily low now, trying to hold above it. Very interesting. There's that level. Asia low still untested. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a push into that level. Also, previous weekly low. I think this is going to be the battle zone right there. Whatever happens there, that's going to determine the price action for the rest of the session. And then also this 200 daily EMA, we can really see the bears starting to take control below there. US 30 daily, also bearish. We spoke about it this morning. We still have that wick to fill. We've got a few zones to monitor inside here internally, those grayed out boxes. So currently, we are trading at one, and also the previous weekly low. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the previous weekly low is literally sitting there. Asia lows also untested. Would not be surprised if we pull back into this zone. But ultimately, if we start trading below here, we're going to see a lot of volume. I would like to get short below 43K. Things are really going to start getting messy for the bulls that are trying to buy this. Gold on the daily, bullish, beautiful. We mentioned it this morning. Previous daily high holding. Now we've got two minor little zones to get through. Also, we mentioned at the start of the week, the monthly being super bullish as well. We've got the wick fill on the monthly. Took some beautiful buys here this morning off that 2900 level. Now rejecting that zone there. What am I looking at now? We still haven't tested daily R1. Wouldn't be surprised if we pull back here and we can still be bullish. We can even pull back to Asia highs, chat. So just be very aware. So for you going into the zone, two zones, that one up there, 29.28, and then your daily R2. That's going to determine what we're going to do for the rest of the session. And then GU, massively bullish on early. I was bullish on this breakout. We broke previous daily highs. It's very normal for price to reject the yearly pivot. That is a massive level in itself. So unless this starts flipping back into the range, we are still going to remain bullish. If we do this, if it closes like this tomorrow, very easy. This was a fake out. We're going back short. But looking on the lower time frames, nice break above Asia highs holding. Now rejecting previous weekly high, chat. I'm not going to touch GU. This is a train wreck waiting to happen. So not going to touch it. Not even going to look at it any further. GJ. I was bullish this morning with the idea of the wick fill. We are now breaking that previous daily low. We're also trading back inside of the range. And now what are we looking at? Previous daily low, weekly pivot, all of that. Very simple for me. If you go on the 30, I want to see if we can break back inside of this range. This range right here. If we can break back above that, that's going to be bullish. Otherwise, previous daily low, Asia lows, daily S1. That's also the half round number, and you've got 189 here, which we are currently rejecting. So if we keep on holding below that, looking for potential shorts, otherwise holds above, very nice longs into Asia highs. Otherwise, we're going to see a continuation, but not the cleanest price action by any means of the word. And then going over to Bookmap, let's just check what the volume is looking like for the session. So NQ, Nasdaq, currently net negative flow, almost 2,000 cons to the downside. So order flow moving quite nicely away this morning. I just want to show you guys that point of control, that little box we drew. As you can see, we just started moving away from it. Quite a bit of chop before we initially got the move, and now we're sitting at the session lows. Very close to it. So I'm going to monitor what we do now on the volume profile. Quite a bit of sellers sitting upstairs there. New point of control right here where we are at. So that's why I'm looking for potential shorts to the downside if we get volume. I just want to show you guys. We're just going to draw a new box here. Keeks, we still have time. Here's the horn before I forget. Wait. Okay. Okay, chat, two things here. This is our point of control there. So if we hold above it and we start trading up above VWAP, low volume node, we can start pushing. Otherwise, if we start breaking these lows, that's going to be quite spicy to the downside. And then US 30 on the other hand as well, net negative, a little bit stronger than NAS, currently only down 0.5%. And our point of control is sitting slightly above. So order flow is looking quite bearish. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So that entire zone there, that is going to be the area where we want to see what price is going to do from there. And then also, once we start breaking these equal lows, let's call it equal lows down there, I do think we're going to get a big flash into the previous daily lows. For me to really get bullish, yeah, we can see, yeah, it's not bullish at this stage, Chad. We're going to have to get above VWAP there, get above all those sell orders. But currently, this is what we are working with. So, over to you, Keo.
The book map. Alright guys, we're going to see what happens here. See what the cracker is looking for. It's going to be exciting times here.
So there's no news.
No news. News starts again tomorrow. This is like our one break in the week. Ooh, we've got new sounds here.
Oh, it's a little cheeky. So if you hit a TP, that's our new theme song.
Hey. Let's see here, guys. Market's looking quite juicy, I won't lie. We're going to see what trouble we can get into today.
Bro, the NAS just gapped. Yeah, it just gapped down. Alright, 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes, Chad. I see XM at the bottom where...
Guys are taking a while, yeah.
Yeah, Chad, we're doing a little bit of a giveaway with them. I'm not going to say what, but what I can say is it's a big one.
Yeah, something's got postponed a bit, but it's still happening, guys. It's happening.
And then also tomorrow we're doing the 1 million Rand Vault Funder account giveaway for the guys that commented on that video, that shared it, that liked it. So go check it out on our Instagram page. That is all happening tomorrow. All right, so I'm thinking Keeks tomorrow afternoon. We're gonna do the giveaway, Chad.
Sounds good. Yo, US 30 popping off. It's a bit early. Keeks, is this what you said we must look out for? With this, but like we also said, a little bit of a... I think we're giving it away a little bit there and saying there's also a giveaway coming. But we're not going to say what it is. I act like everything is okay, but deep down I miss Youngster Legend.
Who said that? Yes, but Youngster Legend chokes us every time. Keys on. So it's going to put the book map on here for us.
Yeah, go for it, bro.
All right, Chad, US 30. Very interestingly enough, a lot of sellers stepping in on that candle. So there's that 200, there's that previous weekly low. We have 2 minutes left, and I might.
Hey, Alex, what's up, my man?
I might do the following. If we break there, if we get a nice volume break there, I'm gonna short this because there's that box, our point of control.
Man's getting frisky with it. There, it just broke.
Yo, again stops. What is this? Again, 50.1 minute candles. So let's see. Let's see. We're closer to the previous daily low than the previous daily high. Nasdaq, on the other hand, now currently inside of that box, that point of control box, looking a little bit more bullish than US 30. And then gold currently at VWAP, going net negative on the flow here. So very, very interesting that the cumulative volume delta is actually negative 1,300. That's quite big.
Sure.
So but yeah, the boys are ready.
Market
Is
open.
it 1 minute?
1 minute. Brian, I'm actually holding a very good record, bro, of 0. I don't know how long it's going to stay like that.
What is that?
It's like how many times I've been told to not leave my dishes laying around in the new spot. Yeah, right now, 0 times. Don't know how long that's going to last, but we're going to see.
I actually want to sell it off the rip, but I gotta wait. Because this thing can hurt you quick.
But yeah, there's a lot of seller volume, man. They picked up that previous candle.
Yeah, I just want to see. We made a new low on the delta.
Today a bad day to be a TP. Woo.
Okay, let's see. 15 seconds. Should I just rip a sell now, Keeks?
Yo, bro, if there is seller volume.
Okay, too late. Oh, oi.
Alright, Chad, that's it. Markets open. Round 4.
Holy.
Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Yes, again, we missed that sell opportunity. That was the giveaway there. That was the giveaway there. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a little here, Chad. Just gonna wait a little here. Might miss it here off the rip. There's that previous daily low. Sure, could have been done there. Holy. Just Chad, yeah, they should have gone with the gut feeling telling me, but again, this thing is just absolutely dying. It's almost 70, 80. Holy smokes. Nasdaq, weirdly enough, holding up quite nicely here, Chad. So Nas, we're currently at that point of control, so I'm going to monitor Nas. Gold, also starting to see some buyers coming in here. Quite a bit of sell orders here and then a little bit higher. But US 30, my goodness, Chad.
US 30.
This thing just shut the bed completely. You could have even taken it there. That thing barely had any. That was almost the 1 to 3R trade. But okay, let's see how we develop down here. Joe Salazar just coming in here, Chad. I want to see if the sellers. Okay, I might take something on Nas. Yeah, we missed it on. Yeah, Chad. Late entry there. That's fine. I took some shorts on Nas. A little bit of a late entry. Completely missed it. But sellers now starting to step in on Nas. Took the shorts here. 30 point stop. Let me just get the exact point there. 30 point stop there. Let's see if we can run this. That 200 daily level is going to be quite key. We're just going to manage it as we go down. All right. Once we tap that 200 daily level, a lot of sellers stepping in here. A lot of sellers. Just going to wait for this 1 minute to close. Chat, I'm going to go break even on this. I'm currently running 1R. If I get stopped at break even, not risking it.
Yeah, sorry guys, quick one. The cracker, I said to the guys, it already would have had TP. The cracker wanted the cells. It would have taken cells. I said to the guys, I'm not taking it. It's just too expansive already. But if you followed the rules, you still would have taken the trade. It would have been a TP. So some of the guys hit it. Personally, myself, I did not take that trade. But yeah, Cracker hitting a TP there.
Chad, sorry man, break even there for me on Nas. Maybe a little quick there, but it did more than one R. We'll see what happens here. I was never gonna manage it any other way than that. What I will say though is if we get a break and a close below this 200 daily EMA, things can spice up. I would ideally love a support being formed and then a re-break of those lows. We can even push back to retest that point of control zone, then reject it, and then continue down. US 30. Okay, some buyers stepping in now on US 30. That thing absolutely melted. That was almost a 240 pip move. Please tell some of the guys that it's not 2,400 pips. It's 240 points.
Yeah, I don't know how you teach people to trade, bro. You can't read the difference of pips and points.
Why do guys say we just bagged 2,400 pips? Or do we have it wrong? Now I'm honestly asking for a friend here. Alright, Chad, it's not the battle's not done yet. Waiting for this zone. Volume, a lot of buyers trying to step in here. So let's see. Next big sell block out of this, and I'm gonna go for it.
Oh, bro, that's a level there. See, people are gonna try to catch that there.
Previous daily low rejecting. So let's see if we can also create a little bit of an equal low here.
So you're gonna go for Nasdaq?
Yeah. No, US 30 has gone, my dude. US 30.
No, but I'm saying, so you want the bar on Nasdaq, not on US 30?
No, shorts.
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 Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Now I'm understanding. So I'm like, you're
Only
aggressive.
if we reject here. If we start pushing through it, I will look for buys above VWAP. But while we're trading below here, I'm purely looking for the shorts.
Okay, no, I'm with you. That's what I was just saying. If you were looking for buys there, I was like, phew, the man's ripping it, yeah.
No. Okay, let's see. Chad, that is if we reject, eh? All I'm saying is I'm not selling into a bullish candle. However, what TradingView is showing me and what unexpected market delay for 33 seconds. Why though? Joe Nas just came back massively here. Chad, here's the delay on 46 seconds on CME. Check your Nas, Keeks. Nas just coming through. Alright.
That's crazy, bro.
NQH5, let me just check why is it doing that. Shout out, just want to see already subscribed, instrument following details. 68 seconds. Why is... NQ. Big sell volume coming in here on gold, guys. A lot of sellers stepping in here. There's that zone we marked out. That daily R2. So a lot of sellers stepping in now on gold. Daily R2, as mentioned, should go to the daily R1. You can use your daily R2 and R1 levels as support and resistance as well. All right, Keegs.
Yeah, bro.
US 30. Do we want to do something on US 30? Absolutely not.
I think, that's gonna get messy, bro.
This is the weekly S2, monthly S2, and the daily S1 currently holding.
It is a major level.
Okay, let's just monitor NAS here, Chad. Okay, yeah, here's the other side of the coin now on NASDAQ. Like I mentioned, we broke through that level. If we can hold the retest on VWAP and we can see a lot of buyer volume come in, then we can go for the long. The other side of the coin here on US 30 is you can see that on the delta we are trying to push bullish, and then also we are now establishing a new point of control here. All right, so that this zone here, you can see all of that volume coming in. That is potentially going to be the zone. We can either continue selling from here or we can try a buy. All right, this is on US 30. So we'll see what happens here. NASDAQ, very, very interesting. Trying to hold VWAP there. Do I trust it? Absolutely not. But we'll see. So I just want to see what do we do here. Got another little zone forming here. So I'm just going to monitor what NAS does here. And then we might, that 200 as well, 200 EMA is going to be a pivotal level for price to either reject, continue lower, or to go higher. US 30. Yeah, US 30 is in a tight spot here, Chad.
US 30 is gonna fight for its life, bro.
Oh, okay, NAS, interesting. Let's monitor this zone here. Gold, what is gold doing? Gold sellers peaked here at that low. You can see their volume delta trying to push back up. But sellers are still around here. US 30. Keegs, I wanna take a jab at US 30 now. If we can get some volume. Yeah. But we're not getting volume here though. That's my only thing. And then NAS. Yeah, NAS. Interesting, Chad. Interesting. Sellers are starting to come back. Very choppy again, Keegs. Very, very choppy again, yeah. Very, very choppy again. All I'm saying is, if US 30 breaks this, Geeks, it's gonna be bad.
What do you mean to the downside?
Yeah, that's gonna be very, very ugly, Chad. All I'm saying is that this could be really, really ugly for US 30.
Yeah, it could be a very, very bad sell-off day. DXY is back up at its key area.
Okay, US 30.
NAS also having a big sell-off there.
US 30. Let's check US 30. Oh, did I miss it? Did I miss it? Yeah, I missed it. Fuck. That's too slow here, bro. Look at that volume, chat. So let's just see how it closes here on Bookmap. What is this gonna be? Yes, the 48. I can't do 48. Chat, what I'm actually gonna do is once this candle closes, I'm actually going to wait for a little top wick, and then once it breaks the lows, I'm actually going to have my stop just above the top wick, because I can't do, this is almost 50 points. I can't do 50. So I'll wait for a retest here on bookmap. We can see sellers are here, and then once we break, once we create a top wick and we break the lows, my stops are going to be just above there, because then these are session lows. You would expect price to continue lower, and then if it breaks lower, but all right, that is not going to be the up and down we go, Kiga.
Looks like we're doing this again.
What is this price action?
Bro, that thing just popped like 60 pips. Like it just popped.
All right, Chad. This is trying to hold here. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm actually gonna go long. I went long on US30. Stops are, yeah, I can't do that though. I should have reduced my size. Shit. I went long on US30. Yeah. Okay, very risky play. Went long there. Stops are a little bit bigger than 30. It's 39, just below that 1 minute. The idea here is I see this as a fake out. We're currently holding that weekly S2, that daily S1. If it's going to bounce, it's worth a shot here. It's worth a shot. If we start ranging here and we can't get through this level, then it's a bad trade. Because we want to see buyers stepping in. Because this could also just be a consolidation for the next move down. We always talk about this being a consolidation, and you can just move down like we are doing now. But with that buy volume stepping in there, it is worth a shot for me. So this is the shot I'm taking. I can pay dearly for it, or it can pay me. All right, so let's see here. Let's see if buyers can step in here and do a shift for us. I want to really see buyers step in, and I want to see this start to run. I'm actually just going to take off because my stops are so big. Might kill it, yeah. Let's see.
Oh, bro, this is messy.
Chad, it's struggling. Yeah, I'm going to give it maybe a little bit more. Didn't manage to take off though. I was too slow here on the button. I'm going to have to see something coming. Sellers coming in here now. I'm actually just going to go break even, Chad. I'm break even. I've just gone break even. Sellers are actually stepping in here now as well. So if it's going to run, it's going to run. I'm not going to chance it. I'm break even, and that is break even it for me. I don't want to see this, Chad. This I don't like. After taking that low, after trying to hold here, you want to honestly see. When was it when we traded a news event? You want to see a big bounce. If it struggles like this,
yeah,
this is buyers capitulating here. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is just, yeah. Nasdaq is doing Nasdaq things.
Sure. It started off with so much potential volume, bro. And then
I'll still go for US30 though, Kicks. If we get a break out of this POC, I might still go for it. I just want to see like buyers coming here, not sellers. Like,
Bro, if the buyers come in, bro, this could be a very nice move.
So that's 2 break evens, Chad. This was up about 0.7%. NAS was up just over 1%. But we are waiting for the runners, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what we are hunting for.
You can definitely see the momentum slow down. Now we're waiting for that shift.
Are you still holding out? I'm out, my brother. I'm break even on that trade. Once I saw the sell volume starting to get in there, that's when I killed it. You want to see volume building, and this is actually something we're going to talk about with the Project G members. When you trade a consolidation like this, what confirms the breakout of the consolidation is volume. So if you're getting a breakout on low volume, it's very likely a fake out. But if the breakout happens with a lot of volume, then that is, even like this. This is not a lot of volume for me. I'm not in the shorts, Chad. I'm just letting you guys know. I'm very, very picky. We had our fun at the start, but now we know what we're looking for and what we want to execute on. Not in that. There's that daily zone. So let's see if the volume can build. What is gold doing?
Gold was actually a nice clean move. So bro, NAS is just choppy. Like I thought you were steady.
Chop fest. Chop,
NAS.
absolute chop fest, yeah. Yeah, Chad, we'll see what we do here. I just want to see what we do at this zone. It's still VWAP, still technically relatively neutral. US 30. I want to see I want to potentially see a back test on this zone. What time did the volume come in yesterday, Keeks?
Late, bro. I got home. I did just check to see if that trade played out. It started moving. That was at, let's say, 6:30. And then I saw it like completely melted like later on in the evening.
I don't know if you can actually even trade Nasdaq the way what it's doing now. Yeah, Chad, I'm waiting here on US 30. Still the first, not even the first half an hour.
It's crazy to think, bro. Literally, US 30 since market open is just shy of already done 300 pips in 20 minutes.
Dude, today could be like a 3% down day. Today can very easily be a 3% down day. We're still holding that zone, Chad. That's that daily zone we're holding above. I'm monitoring bookmap here. Once we get a volume break here below and a closure below, I will go for a potential short. Otherwise, yeah, no trade for me. So 40 seconds on US 30. Nasdaq rejecting that point of control level now. If we can get a big volume break as well, I still like the shorts on Nas. Rejecting that previous daily low. There's that 200 EMA. So let's see. Already rejected that zone. I just want to see some sellers step in here. It's still relatively neutral. US 30. Let's check here. 17 seconds. No top wick. I might wait for top wick to form. Break of the lows. We jab it. Only thing is we still haven't tested it. What is Nas doing? Nas. Bro, this is so anticlimactic.
Now we just sitting here waiting, bro. Twiddling our thumbs down.
Keys, must I go for it? Break of the lows.
Go for it, bro.
Really now?
You got this.
For real?
I believe in you.
Session lows.
Session lows. We want to see that ramp up in volume.
Bro, I don't know if you're real with me.
Why do you say that?
Bro, this is quite a big level here. Chad, this is that daily level. Just want to show you guys. This is that daily level we spoke about. Alright, let's see here. Okay, Chad, I'm going with sell stops on the break of these session lows. I've got sell stops there. 30. I want to do like 32 just to allow for some spread. Weekly, what is it? Weekly, monthly is 30. Let's just see there.
That could be the weekly. No, weekly S3.
Bro, how is 30 points so small, my dude?
Joe, you're about to get activated.
Yeah, not yet, Chad. Stop loss, sell stop is slightly below the lows. They're almost. 32 looks absolutely minute. I actually have to zoom in a little bit here to see 30. Scale fix. Let's try and fix it. Oh, there we go. Yes, the 30. With a 30-point stop, you're not even inside. You're not even outside the 1 minute candle peaks. That is the crazy thing. Chad, let me just put there sell stops. Sorry, man. There's a lot going on here. Sell stops. Okay, sell stops not active. Again, these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please do not follow a single thing we do here. US 30. Still, volume is just dropping. Ooh, okay, wait. Okay, Chad, that is me in. I could be liquidity selling a session low after already being down so much. So that is me activated in the position. Okay, I don't think it slipped too badly. Stops are just above this current 1 minute. Let's see if we can get some volume to the downside here. Let's see if the air brakes fail. This could be the session low and we can see this thing literally recover. We are selling the lows here. This is very...
I'm looking at US30 as well. It's just a thing of it's so extended to enter a trade here now. I'm like, do I want to?
Yeah, that's the thing though. I can get a very quick haircut here, but also there are days where buyers are gonna get clapped.
Yeah, like this is also could be one of those days
where it's just
people
a down
keep trying
grind.
trying to buy, and this thing's just gonna keep nuking you the whole time.
So a lot of air brakes can be hit here. So I'm gonna see here.
Starting to drive.
Oh, I need to see volume here, Chad. We are at the session. This is low of everything. I think it's the weekly low, Keeks.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like it. Okay, chat, I'm giving it one more candle after this. If this candle closes at entry, I'm killing it. I'm just letting you guys know. We need to close below the low. If this candle closes at entry, I killed it, chat. Killed that at entry. I don't like it. Killed it for a little bit in profit right there. I don't like it. I wanted to see a flush.
Yeah.
There's no flush here. We are at a low. I'm not seeing a build of volume there. And I also don't want to be liquidity. It can go now. Obviously, I've closed it, so you can go USD. I'm releasing you. Just go now.
That's the whole joys of trading, eh?
No, but it's... Yeah, here's the thing. How can you manage it differently trading at a session low? You cannot... Like, for instance, if you think about it this way, Chad, this is what I'm thinking. This is a minor consolidation. You don't want to see these tiny little candles trying to trickle down. You want to see candles like this. This is what you want to see. This is the type of volume you want to see at a session low. When you start bumping and grinding like this, it makes me nervous, especially trading at a session low. But with that being said, like I mentioned, this could be air brakes slipping. This could easily drop another 180 here.
Yo, bro. Literally the one candle too early.
But I released yesterday. It's like the markets are watching all of us.
Yeah, gold was a perfect analysis earlier, but we were both so locked in because you still open up with massive volume. But yeah, gold was a perfect breakdown. Literally break back under daily R2, retest the R2, and then just sell off.
Yeah, but this chop. Oh, but Naz. Okay, Chad. I feel like I'm overtrading a bit, yeah. Even though I've hit 2 break evens and 1 win.
USD, bro, I just don't know what that. It's moving so funny.
Okay, there. Anyways, it came back. How much did it push though? 2R. That was a 2R trade. Okay, but Chad, we're gonna get it. Don't stress. We are gonna get. We're gonna get those runners. It's just about a break even for me is fine. We placing our bets. We giving the trade a little bit of room. The big ones are gonna come. Don't stress. The runners. Okay, we should technically be in NAS shorts, Geeks. You know that, eh? We should be shorting NAS now. We should have actually been shorting after the VWAP test. Are we not going to short it?
Naz.
Are we really not shorting NAS?
Are you shorting it?
I'm not shorting it.
It's failing at previous daily low.
No, it's already below previous daily low.
Yeah, I'm saying it had the previous candle still was the retest. Now it's trading underneath.
Keeks, let's do it. Break of these lows, 7 seconds. We bump it.
Bro, why don't we buy USD?
Are we buying US30 now? Yes, they're buying US30.
No, we're not buying that thing, bro. I'm not touching USD.
Breaks below daily S1, shorting NAS, so we're not shorting it.
If there's volume. I'm not seeing volume there, bro.
Yeah, I know, it's tiny. It's microbes.
It's doing us dirty, yeah.
Bro, this chop is absolutely disgusting. The fact that we walked away with 2 break evens, I feel actually lucky. I'm not even thinking about the 3R that I didn't lock in. I'm just feeling lucky I didn't get cut here.
If anything, bro, you should just traded the cracker.
Keeks, what are we doing, my brother? I don't know what we're doing here. You and Naz. Yo, Naz, chat trying to double bottom here on the volume delta. Very, very interesting. Also your daily S1.
Bro, I might really actually take a buy on USD.
A buy on US30.
Yeah.
I'd rather take a buy on Naz though, because Naz is positive on the delta.
Oh, bro, I might do it. I might
Naz
do it.
is, yeah, there's just not volume here, bro. There's
I
Naz.
feel
Is,
like being a DJ.
Chad, I'm just gonna, for the 200 of you, I'm gonna drop a little nugget for you here. These little consolidations are absolute gold when you trade bookmap. So the longer you consolidate, once you get that breakout and it's confirmed with volume, those trades are your A+ setup trades. A consolidation hold, a volume break, that is money. Consolidation hold like this, volume break below key levels, absolute money. I've been spending a lot of nights back testing, going through all of it. These trades, these little accumulation trades, low volume, you get the volume break, beautiful. Are you going for US30?
I'm gonna pull the trigger, bro. I'm busy.
No, literally no.
No, it just won't break there, bro. That's like it gets there and then it pulls back. It gets there and then it pulls back. And I feel like if it pumps now, it's gonna freaking go without us.
But there's little to no volume at these lows, though. It is for me a point of control, though. Naz. Chad, I can't do anything here. Let us know when you pull the trigger so we can watch.
No, well, but I need to see if it gives me something, yeah. Give me something to work with.
What if this is setting up for that next little sell?
Then we're ready for it, bro. That's the whole idea, yeah. You got to be able to adapt. Got to be on the money.
Keeks, what I would love, honestly, for the buy, you check the volume delta now.
Yeah.
If the volume delta can hold here and we create a new low on the session, then that is...
So right now, so is there seller volume coming in?
There's a lot of seller volume.
If this closes, yeah, bro, I'll take a potential sell, but I want to see how it closes. Because now that thing is that held there, couldn't break higher. I've got a key area marked here. It breaks past that. We have volume coming to the market.
I will wait for a retest here on that point of control there.
Okay, Chad, I'm taking a rip.
Short.
Yeah,
Are you short?
short.
Sheesh.
Oh, yes, this guys.
Kigo. Kigo.
Same as the cracker play, so I've got 60 pips stop.
Wait, I'm just going to throw on your screen.
That's fine, Chad. I'm just setting it here quickly. The
60
same
stop.
as cracker, 60 stop. We didn't have the cracker play today, so well, I didn't, so that can work out. And we might as well just aim for the weekly S3. So it'll give us a little 1 to 6. Very aggressive trade.
1 to 6 or 1 to 2?
Or As in 1.16.
Oh,
sorry
1.
guys. So my let's see.
Bro, I think these markets emotionally overstimulated me. I can't do anything now. That 2 trades was all I had in me. Those 2 break evens.
After this, bro, then I'm drained. I'm tired.
No,
my brain hurts after this.
Chad, those 2 break evens, I'll take it. 3R potential, sunken cost, not locked in. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Break evens for me. So
It's been a long day of watching markets do nothing.
what I am gonna say, Chad, quick one. I'm waiting for. Just gonna check here. I'm waiting for that retest to fail. We've made a new low on the delta. Once we break low here, that's when I'm gonna execute. And that will be my last bullet. If we get it, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, it was quite fun. It was entertaining.
I'm glad it was insane, bro. This is a headache.
Okay, let's see. I can't even go pee, bro. Things happen so quickly. New low on the volume delta, Keeks. So if we struggle here with making a new low on the delta, could be messy. Could be nice, could be messy.
Just run for us.
How much do we have left here? 90, so we can pop a 3% here.
Chad, I'm gonna half my risk, so it's a 30 pip stop. Purely because I want to see this thing run now. I don't want to go break even yet because we're like right on top of it. But at least half the risk.
Okay, I took it with you, Keeks. Rebreak of the lows.
There we go.
Just setting my stops. Ooh, what am I doing? I feel like I might regret this, but also might be.
Join the party, bro. Join the party.
What are we doing selling lows, bro? The rule of thumb is buy low, sell high.
Let's not go there, bro.
Yes, I immediately regret my decision.
Okay.
I was just gonna go pee.
Chad, I'm break even. I literally might get stopped here now, but I'm gonna break even for this candle closure.
Ooh.
Yo,
No,
Chad,
buys,
that is so
buys.
close.
Buys up,
Okay, I'm out. I'm out.
bro.
Break even.
Bro. Did you hit a break even?
Yeah, I was hoping this. I wanted to go break even with this closing bearish, but we closed break even, was there, and then just teleported for our break even.
I might need to revenge trade Nasdaq now. Chad, I might
Are
need
you
to.
still in?
No, I'm out. minus 1% from a break even. That was just terrific, my dude. That was horrific. I'm gonna have to revenge trade, yeah.
There you go, bro. It's coming bearish again. That was just the retest, bro. That was
Nah.
just the retest.
Okay. Chad, I'm doing a revenge trade, yeah. Long on Nas. We are revenging, yeah.
Just put your
Long
screen there,
on
bro.
Nas. Let me just set my stops before I. This is pure revenge trading at this stage. That is why you should not follow what I do here. Took a long on Nas here, holding that lower VWAP band. 30 point stop, 32 just to add for a little bit of spread. and we're going to try and manage this thing. See if we can get a bounce here. Cumulative volume delta giving me some type of double bottom formation there, showing me that sellers have capitulated slightly right there. As you can see, almost like a little bit of a structure break on the volume delta. So let's see if I can get a bounce here. I would be very happy with the 3R. I'm actually going to pull my take profit to 3R. And then we're going to manage it as if she goes up. That's a big if. That is a big if. We're going to need to see volume come in. Otherwise, we are part of the chop. I got chopped to bits today. Then you got to ask yourself, why did I not take the 1R? Why did I not take the 2R? Those are questions that I'm going to have to ask myself tonight. Alright, chat, I'm just going to go pee quick. Not ideal.
P for TP.
I'll see you guys now. I set my TP. If we hit TP, if we hit stops, that is fine. That's why you shouldn't follow what we do here. Might hit stops before I pee. Wait. Yeah, there we go. Okay, but I'm gonna go pee anyways. That's 30. Check you guys now.
See, Chad, US 30. I told you that was just a retest.
Is it dropping?
Yeah.
No ways. No, man, it's not dropping. Nonsense.
There's a 4-hour order block sitting below price. That is what I'm waiting for before I buy. Yeah, no, we're not gonna touch it anymore from where it is now. I'm just asking for. Okay, well, Chris was saying it wasn't dropping. Now it is dropping. Gold's very nice, bro. You should also have a look at silver sometime, but gold's also quite nice. Even diamonds, but yeah, gold's also nice. But again, guys, it's always interesting when it's NFP week. NFP week's always an exciting time. Fobs, bro, don't go there, bro. Bro, what a number. Yeah. It says registered, but I don't have the login details. My brother, just message support then for us. That's the easiest other option we can do for you. We would have been halfway to TP now, Chad. We should sell US 30 now. Yeah, bro. We were selling it a while ago already. Okay, this time I'm not joking when I'm saying US 30 really is melting now.
I'm done with it. I'm done with it. I
Like
tried the shorts.
it's halfway to TP.
Are you serious now?
I promise you.
Where's US 30? Nah, bro. US 30. Yeah, it should go. It should go. New low on the delta. 760 points.
Yeah, bro.
Look, we talked about it. Yeah, we already talked
Yeah.
about it there. That we could go lower. Like it could be a massive down day. Very likely it should run there. Nasdaq tried the buy. There are going to be times where you're going to get the buys, and there's times where you are not going to get it. Just to let you guys know, this band here, that is the third band. That is 3 deviations away from VWAP. So just to let you know, this is extended. It doesn't mean we are going to reverse here. You can see the markets really shit the bed from here. Even if you look at US 30, it's trading outside of the third band. So where did I short from earlier?
So, bro. We would have been styling on USD.
And I would have hit break even. No, it consolidated. I took the shorts there. I would have definitely hit break even, Keeks. Right here.
We had a nice
I
entry
took
on
it. I took the shorts there, Chad. After that break, I would have gone break even. That's almost 2R, and then with this little bit of chop there, I would have been taken out.
Nah, I'll trade, bro. If I never changed anything,
Yeah, there she goes.
we would have there trade TP. Oh, that would have been beautiful.
Yeah, I don't think it's the bounces are going to be. If I'm being very honest, Chad. Rule of thumb here is, for the most case, if you start holding below the daily S1 and you start going to daily S2, it's going to be a trending day. So any type of bounce is just going to be very choppy and overlapping. Nas, I did like. I did like Nas. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Nas, I did like. Wait, let me just show you guys. Actually took a trade off the stream this morning. Trading exactly that setup there on NAS. I was busy on the PC. Just want to show you guys this exact divergence setup and caught, I think it was. There was only 60 points though. It was round about 12 o'clock. Nice little divergence play. Let me just copy this, show you guys. So you use the volume delta as a divergence. So after you create a new low, then what happens is your volume delta actually makes a new high. And at that stage right there, price made a new low, volume delta made a new high, and took that for 60. So exactly the same play I took off stream was the idea here on NAS. Didn't get it though. So, but yeah, no, I'm not partaking in this chop fest.
So I think that's the end of the session, bro.
I'm
not gonna
Yesterday was just
get
as choppy,
involved in
dude.
this.
How choppy was yesterday?
No, yesterday. But again, bro, we always talk about this NFP week. I can't even be surprised with the markets. So yeah, bro, up to you. If you're ready, we can go full screen.
Keeks, do GoFundMe for the ring the chat back to you. Keeks, let me just have one look here. I'm done though. I just wanna look. Chad, I'm not gonna lie. Nasdaq can do like another 120 without even blinking. Dollar, what is dollar doing? Dollar, massive pullback. Sorry, Keeks, I just want to go through it quickly for myself. We spoke about the dollar not testing previous daily low, Asia lows. I mentioned this zone here. Beautiful play there, coming back as expected. US 30, I honestly thought we were going to get a little bit of a deeper pullback. Asia lows still loading there, but Asia lows sitting there, no retest on Asia lows. Like I mentioned, very likely you'll see NAS drop about another 100 easy. US 30.
Oh, that thing's still going, bro. There's no momentum stopping there.
Yeah, US 30 as well. Previous weekly low was the key there. We tried a short. I actually tried one short. Was it two? Sorry, it was a short on NAS, break even, and it was a short on US 30. So idea was right, just getting upheld a little bit in that chop, and then gold, as mentioned as well, very nice playing out there as well. Mentioned that your daily R1 is untested. We mentioned your previous daily high in Asia high untested. Very likely you could see that coming down. GU just messy for me, and then GJ. I mentioned that 189. If we can get above it, bullish. If we reject it below, I don't think there's anything I would have traded. Yeah, no. So yeah, unfortunately, break even day for me, but on stream, the two losses. But Keeks, yeah, I think we can go Go break even.
Yeah, guys, again, this is part of it, part of trading. We'll see what happens. You come back again tomorrow. Whether it's a break even, whether it's a loss, it's all part of the game. NFP week, as I keep saying, so you're going to see a lot of volatility. Markets are starting to wake up. We are starting to see those breakouts. And again, always take a release trade, have a little bit of confidence knowing you had the right direction in your trades, whether you got in, whether you got stopped out, whether it was a break even. But you at least are looking for the right things. That's always a win for yourself. You can take as you start growing as a trader. But yeah, Chris, thanks for being here as always, brother. And Chad, we're going to see you guys same place, same time as always tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. Take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Cheers.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. superhero.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me.